What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing morning. Now today we're going to be going over something that is basically half of the Amazon FBA game, and I'm going to tell you why you need giveaways, how to do them, and the cost to run them. So the first thing is why you need giveaways, right? Why do I need to do giveaways? Why can't I just throw the product up there and expect it to sell? Now, I've tried that before, and I'm sure maybe even you guys have tried that before and figure out that, hey, nothing's happening. Why isn't my listing selling? Why is my seller ranking so high, right? Well, we need to do giveaways, right? Especially if you guys are in competitive marketplaces that have, a whole bunch of sellers and that have, a bunch of competition with sellers with a bunch of reviews. So what these giveaways do, they basically alter the Amazon algorithm. So when we do these giveaways, we're giving these products away for 95% off all the way up to 99% off in order to tell Amazon that we're getting sales initially, in order to match up with all these competitors on the first page. So when you do these sales, right, when you do 97 or 99% off on these products, it counts as a sale on your listing. So Amazon's like, okay, this guy is selling, so we're gonna make your ranking lower, right? We're gonna push you closer to the first page. So from there, what we're supposed to do is match up the amount of sales that the competitors are doing each day as well. So if a competitor on the first page is doing like 20 or 30 sales a day, we have to match that in order to get on the first page as well, in order to compete with them. So that is the whole concept of giveaways, guys. That's the quickest way to get to the first page. That's the quickest way to start seeing some sales and start making some money. Now that is half the whole entire Amazon FBA game, in my opinion, and I believe that you should always do giveaways whether or not you think a Amazon marketplace is competitive or not. Now, of course, you can also rank your product based off of PPC, which is a whole different thing, and it'll take a little bit longer, but it does work. So the second thing that we're going to talk about is basically how to do them, the coupon codes. So when you're doing these giveaways, we're not giving away the product at full price, right? We're giving people these 97 to 99% off coupons in order for them to put that into the listing, and then get the product for basically free, right? It's not free, but it's a really low cost, right? So if your product was like $10, 99% off, that'd be 1 cent for them to pay, which is great. The higher your coupon codes, the more likely you're going to be able to sell more of your products and give away more. And also on top of that, guys, when you do these giveaway services, whether you use Viral Launch or ZonJump, make sure you're using Amazon PPC and the Facebook ads all at the same time. You want to have this launch to be as effective as possible. And if you guys don't know, when you do these Facebook ads, right, I've heard they're more profitable, if not the same profitable as Amazon PPC. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. Definitely use that to your advantage. And I will create a whole new video on exactly how to use Amazon, or how to use Facebook ads, because I've done all that before. I've done affiliate marketing, so that's definitely something you guys should keep your mind on. So also, let's go over the cost for giveaways, right? Everybody wants to know the cost, right? And honestly, I think it's going to be a big shocker for some people that are getting into Amazon, because of a lot of people don't have a big budget. But usually things like Viral Launch and ZonJump, ZonJump is definitely cheaper than Viral Launch. Viral Launch, you can get it for $350, and that's one launch alone. And then on top of that, ZonJump is it's like $1 per coupon code or per giveaway, right? So if you have to give away like 150 units or so, it's not going to be that expensive. So if you give away 150 to 200, it's probably going to be around paying the $200 range. So that's not that bad, right? And then they say ZonJump is better because it uses Facebook traffic in order to get traffic to your listing, and then for people to buy it. So that's definitely something that I'm probably going to be using more in the future. And on top of that, make sure that when you're doing your giveaways and stuff, that your listing is as optimized as possible. And what I mean by that, I mean your keywords, your pictures, your description, Everything has to be as optimized as possible. You have to think of this like as if it was a job interview, right? Like if you're going into a job interview, you don't want to go in there looking all half-assed. You want to go in there wearing a blazer, then wearing some shorts. You want to look great. You want to look the best as you can, so that we leave the best impression for the customers when they actually buy the products, right? So the whole goal of this giveaway thing is to get on the first page, start ranking alongside of these other competitors. And of course your product has to be a little bit differentiated, whether it's the color of the box or a different type of add-on or bundle, in order to just stick on the first page and for people not to just scroll over it when they're looking at your listing. So hopefully you guys understand exactly what giveaways are for and the importance behind them, because without them it's really hard to rank it's not really hard, but it'll take some time, and it's a little bit it's a little more confusing, I feel like, if you can't do a product launch. And so definitely what you guys can do, if you're going to use viral launch, definitely contact someone on there, contact some type of coach or whatever, I forgot, but you can contact people live like 24/7, and they'll tell you exactly how many units you should give away per day, and for how long, in order to rank on the first page. Now usually, you know how viral launch says, oh, we guarantee that you make it on the first page. They say that because when they're giving you an estimate on how many units you should be giving away each day, it's going to be a little exaggerated, right? So the best thing that you guys can do is probably go on seller.tools and figure out what you need to be selling for your keywords. Or if you guys don't know, Jungle Scout now has Keyword Scout, so that's going to show you exactly how many products you should be giving away and for how long, how competitive your keyword is when it comes to PPC and all this other stuff. So that's why I think Jungle Scout is a very convenient tool, especially now they're updating all their stuff. So you should definitely check that out. And no matter what, guys, you need the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to do any type of product research when it comes to finding your product. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I want you guys to really, keep this in mind when you are doing your product launches and when you guys are finding your product, and make sure that before you actually pull the trigger on your product, before you actually buy it from a supplier, make sure that you go and look at how competitive the keyword is when it comes to ranking for it, and how many giveaways you would have to do, how many products you would have to give away each day, and for how long in order to rank for it. Because I know some of you guys, you might get excited about a product and be like, hey, I want to jump on this product as soon as possible. But you buy the product, the numbers look great, and you go look on Jungle Scout and find out that you have to give away like 200 units within a week or so just to rank on the first page, which is not what we want. And also for giveaways, you guys got to remember the actual giveaway cost of the software, like Viral Launch or ZonJump. You're combining that with the actual Amazon FBA fees that you have to be paying as these products are given away. So as these products are given away, if your FBA fee is like $5 or $6 and you have to give away like 120 units, that adds up over time, right? You're going to be paying like $600 to almost $700 on top of the actual $350 or the $200 when you're using ZonJump or Viral Launch. So hopefully you guys understand that. I just want to get all that information out there because I feel like a lot of people don't know this or don't consider it, especially if they're jumping on their first product. But this is very, very important. And if you can't launch your product because you don't have the budget for it, that's fine. Keep your product at Amazon. Keep it there, and then just save up for your product launch. It shouldn't take that long to make 500 or 700 bucks. It's not that big of a deal, but that's definitely something you guys should keep in mind for the future. Now, one other thing I forgot to mention to you guys is that when you create your coupon codes, there's a specific way that you need to do it, and I'll create another video talking about exactly how to do this, because if you don't do it right, people are going to be able to buy out your inventory and use one coupon code to buy a whole bunch of products from you. So It's definitely something that we don't want. You know, we're already spending money right now. We're already spending a lot, so we don't want to spend any additional bucks when it comes to people, you know, buying it out. Because sometimes competitors might get mad at you and they might buy out your whole inventory so you can't sell anymore and so you can't compete with them. So there's definitely a specific way that you guys need to do this. But yeah, that's the only thing I really wanted to say really quick. So you guys make sure you keep your mind out for that. And if I don't upload a video for it, just go look on YouTube. People will show you exactly how to do it. You basically have to create how many ever coupon codes that you need in order to give away. So if you're giving away 200 units, then you need to create 200 coupon codes. And these coupon codes should not all be the same. They should be all different coupon codes so that people can't use the same one over and over and then buy out your inventory. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like down below, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below what you want to see next. I'm all open to ideas and what you guys want to see. And also I have supplier templates down below on how to approach them for your first product. And also I have a 1 through 10 step guide of how you can get started on Amazon. It's very simple. It's very step by step. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.